drop down in some kind of black magic down here, I might be interested in the long, and it's close to reversal time of day or something. Or if we were to break up, above, start pushing through this 45.50 area, that's another place of interest. Just other than that, I'm looking for shorts underneath it, longs over at shorts at 39.31 again. If we opened under 39.31, I'd be interested in being short there, at least back to the black magic. We're not over the 45. We're right at a short setup. If we open right now, I mean, we're right at a short setup, just under the calculated level. We got a 5-minute high. If we do open at 40, we're going to have a little bit of a gap, just like the rest of them. It's going to fail. Might pop a little bit, first 5 minutes, even get up into 50, and then fail. It's going to be a beautiful short setup. Looks like it. Nope. There they go. Trade it up. Boom. Right at the last minute. Classic bull behavior. Last 10 seconds. Run it up. Run it up. Take out the black magic. Rip freaking faces off. Classic, man. Classic bull price action. Hell yeah. Now I'm starting to get interested in the long a little bit. Right into that black magic, man. There it is. That's the one chance to be long. Got one on, tight stop, man. I'm trading this with $1.50 stop because it's either going to work out this black magic or it's not. I don't need it all the way down to 27 or any of this bullshit. Just I'll cut it and get back in if it doesn't work. I'm going to be taking some profits into 40 here. Save me a quick buck. Yeah, $3 out of that, $4 almost. If we can get over this 45.50 area, though, we got to get a nice bull run. God, that was the short setup, wasn't it? And there's plenty of risk reward on the downside. So if this thing takes a dump,
order filled.
So I got me a nice short on there, but I want a full size. I got a starter going there. Let's see this thing break this 5-minute 9 and break that open print, start coming down here where I can take some profits. I don't believe in the long. I took a good crack at it here where I think they had the best chance, but there it is. That's the one I was looking for. Let's go right through anything that matters. Let's retrace this whole hour.
Order filled.
Got the top tick on that sell. Let's see if we can keep going though. Keep going. 3,900 on deck.
Order filled.
Coming up on the end of this 5-minute candle here. We'll get back to close the gap. I'm going to take profits one more time if we can hit 39.10.
Order filled.
There it is. Nice. Right at 10 too, boy. Woo! What a trade, man. Now that was not easy. So what you heard, all I did there was I paid myself and then I added. Once we broke 3,900, we should see some serious, it's just going to keep being forced selling after forced selling after forced selling. We're coming up on the top of the hour though. So, I'm fixing to take profits here going into 80. We're going to be coming up on the lows of 38.80. We could bounce and rip faces off. It's reversal time of day. I'm fixing to get out of just about everything. I think we're going to go lower, but I'm going to get back in. I'm not going to just hang on to this. So I have 2 contracts left of the profit stop from up here. And I've sold completely my combo, 100%. The stuff I just added, I'm out everything except for 2 contracts left over from on high. Those will probably go to cash settle. I took a little profits in the 75. I moved my profit stop up. So no matter what, it's a win. Well, there you go. That 38.64 just reclaimed, man. That's it. No more shorting for me today. I'm done, boys. I'm all out, everything.